how to download all the emails received in Webmail account in Godaddy. Let's get started with the video. Once we log into the Godaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. Next, on this page, we need to scroll down to the Web Hosting section and click the Manage button. Next, on this page, we need to click the cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel Settings page. Next, in this page, click and enter File Manager section under File. Next, in this page, inside the Mail folder, all the emails from your Webmail accounts are stored. Right-click on the folder and select the Compress option from the list. Next, in the pop-up, select the Download format from the list. It is always better to choose the zip file format. Now you can see the Mail folder is being compressed. Once done, select the compressed mail zip file. Next, click the Download option in the top menu to download a copy of the zip file to your computer. And now you have successfully downloaded the zip file containing all the emails from your Webmail account in Godaddy to your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel